This is not something you get to see every day. Today's one of the few days we've had a clear sky. We don't have the smoke from the fires in Canada, and you can actually see all the way into the back walls of these caves.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Hello again, everybody. I'm Scott.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome back to RV Rolling with MJ on our Summer Quest 2025. And we find ourselves today in...
We're in Bayfield, Wisconsin.
So we are probably the northern top of Wisconsin. The area is known for the Apostle Islands.
Yes.
It's a group of islands off of the coast of Wisconsin, and it's in Lake
Superior.
There's, I don't know, 20, we went on a beautiful, wonderful tour, saw the sea caves.
At Devil's Island, which is really nice.
There's like 22 different islands. Some are inhabited, but not all the time. Really incredible history of these islands, how they were formed, what they do, how they live with them, how the children get from one island to the mainland to do school. It's crazy.
A lot of great information. I definitely recommend the Apostle Island cruise to see all the Apostle Islands.
We went to some small towns.
We went to Cornucopia. We went to a farm.
It's the northernmost, I think, did they say the northernmost post office in Wisconsin, I think.
We also went to a farm that was really cool. It was called Housers. Housers. I looked it up before.
Housers. We know it as Housers. We're locals now, so it's known as Housers.
It's Housers Superior View Farm.
They have cherry, just anything you can think of, they can make from cherries or from apples.
And you also can get a view from the top of their farm, a little bit of a view of the lake, so from there.
Yeah,
so.
and like I said,
really
we went
pretty
to towns,
farm.
we had dinner.
We didn't get to go to Madeline Island, take the ferry over there, unfortunately. The most important thing was the Apostle Island cruise, and we had a perfect day for that. And I was actually the first one on the boat.
You got a book?
And because of it, I got a book, which I had no idea, so maybe they do it all the time. So we are at Myers Beach. We had to park all the way down there because there's no parking, but you have to pay $5 a car even if you park over there. There is a hike, and I believe it's like 1.82 miles to the first sea caves. I think it's 6 miles altogether to see all the sea caves, but because we lost a day, we don't have enough time because we have our Apostle Island cruise later, and I think we're going to see the sea caves while we're on the boat. But we could take a little peek at Myers Beach. People I saw are going on kayak tours from here. I'm guessing you could bring your own kayak and do it too. Very pretty. Wow. This is very nice. All the kayakers. We're in Cornucopia, some kind of shopping, cute little area, marina near Bayside, near a campground.
Bayview?
Bayview. Is it Bayview?
Wow.
No, it's Bayside.
Okay, you think so.
Okay.
Bayview. This is Wisconsin's northernmost post office.
Bayfield. Unfortunately, there's not bike paths. I mean, there's no bike paths, and there's some sidewalks, but everything was fine. And it's right over there. Right by the Apostle Island cruise, which we're going to be going later, there's a really nice area, like a park, where you can sit. We got some cheese curds and some snacks and enjoy the view. There's some lodging and a restaurant. There's the water. And it's the where we dock, which we got on the boat is on the right of that building right here, all the way down. Down there, all the way down there is where the Apostle Island boat is. This is Memorial Park. Boats and the Bayfield behind it.
Number one.
That's a book.
Keep your eyes open for some bald eagles along here too. At the top of that pine tree was a very large bald eagle's nest. We're talking probably 7-8 foot. These brownstone blocks are coming up on our left hand side. They're about 3 feet by 4 feet by about 8 feet.